our distinguished guest speakers, especially those who have come from outside. I wish you a warm welcome to IIT Kharagpur. INSA and both IIT Kharagpur are very close to my heart. These are the two institutions which have believed that research can be done in India and research can be done of the highest quality. Science, as we all know, is neutral. It does not tell us what to do. It tells us how things work. And what to do with it depends on the society at large. We are lucky that over generations we have developed a society which has decided that science must be used for the welfare of everyone. And it is quite heartening that we have decided to work on this. And we are going to hear today a series of very interesting talks on the application of science for society, for the alleviation of the difficulties that we face, as well as for mechanisms for increasing the quality of life. And I think it would be very important if the students who are sitting here would like to call all their friends to listen to this. Because spending one day listening to this is fairly important. Therefore, I would request you, before you switch off your mobiles, before the actual talk starts, you may kindly request all your friends to come over and listen.